Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So using Waze on CarPlay lets you see your navigation right on your car's built-in display, making it easier and safer to follow directions and instructions while driving. Setting it up is straightforward, and once connected, you get the full Waze experience on a larger screen. So how to actually access this? That's why we made this tutorial on how to set up Waze on CarPlay, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So let's say you are using an iPhone or an Android. All you got to do is first make sure you have Waze installed on your iPhone or Android, and that is fully updated to the latest version. You will also need iOS 12 or later and basically a compatible CarPlay vehicle. Now it's time to connect your iPhone to CarPlay. You can either use a USB cable, since your car's display should show the CarPlay interface automatically. Look for the Waze icon on the CarPlay home screen and tap it. Or you can use the wireless option. Both of them are actually good. It all depends on preferences and basically depends on you. Then you have to grant permissions and start using. If you don't see Waze, make sure the app has permission to access CarPlay. Go to iPhone settings, General, CarPlay, select your device and make sure Waze is checked. Once connected, you can use Waze just like on your phone. Enter addresses, get alerts, and see your route on the car's display. And that's here the main idea. So, thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.